Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Silverado LT double cab, four-wheel drive, stock number E1039A. Only 43,000 miles on this local trade. Clean auto check history report, victory red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 6, cloth interior. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space, and rear defrost for excellent visibility. Soft tonneau cover on the 6.5-foot box. Locking tailgate, backup camera, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, make sure everyone's comfortable. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise up and out of the way for middle passenger. With even more space below, and dual glove boxes with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Silverado has a 4.3 liter V6, 285 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.